What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out some new products and at the same time trying out one of the hottest trends right now, at least from what I've been seeing, is like cool toned makeup. When I think about cool tone, I think about ash. So today's going to be a very interesting experience for me. I picked up the Natasha Denona Glam palette and it's pretty much cool tone shades in here. Shades that I don't normally gravitate to, but we're going to give it a try. I've been liking the glam that I've been seeing lately with the more cool tone shades. So if you want to see how that turns out and some of the other products that I'm testing out today, please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna finally be trying out the Rare Beauty foundation and concealer. I picked this up pretty much like the week it launched and I've been waiting to record with it. So I have shade 420N. Hopefully it works because I'm not sure if I passed the return period on this, so let's just hope it works. Some of the reviews that I did see, it's supposed to be a natural finish foundation. This color looks like it might work. And I like a natural foundation. Even though that new NARS foundation is like my favorite foundation right now, I still love a more natural finish. Okay, we're just going to use like a flat top kabuki brush to blend this in. It's going on really nicely and it's blending out really easy too. I'm not gonna lie, when I seen that Selena Gomez was coming out with a makeup line, I was not interested whatsoever. But I mean, I've seen like 4 or 5 different reviews reviewing this collection and everybody loved it, so I was like, let me just go ahead and give it a try. And so far I could see why so many people love it. It's really nice. Okay, so here it is with one layer of a foundation. It looks nice. It looks really nice. I see why people love it so much. It will make like the perfect everyday foundation, even though you don't wear foundation every day, but if you had to, it's pretty nice. To me, this color works really well. Yeah, you guys let me know down below, but from seeing it in person, I really like it. We also picked up the concealer. I have it in 360W. One thing I did really like about the collection was the packaging. Packaging is really nice and I love the reason why it's like that. Before I was just like, oh, I just think it's cute, but she made these little balls and things on the top for people who have issues with their hands and it's hard for them to open things, because I know she struggles with that. And I thought that was very cool to think about the people who have struggles opening bottles. It's just one of those things that you don't necessarily think about because it's not something that you struggle with. Okay, so we're just gonna use my Juno sponge. That looks really nice. I got lucky with the shades that I picked. I'm gonna put a poll on the screen. I want you guys to let me know if you guys felt the peer pressure and bought the Rare Beauty foundation as well, because I mean, like, this stuff was everywhere. Everybody did a review, everybody loved it. Like, did you feel the peer pressure too? Like, did you buy it? Let me know. This is a more dewier concealer. It's not 100% full coverage, but it's very doable. It looks fresh. I mean, as of right now, everything looks beautiful. I guess the real test would be like how it wears throughout the day. But if I had a 9 to 5 and I had to go to work, I would definitely wear this. Like, look at my skin. I think I might put one more layer of the concealer under my eyes and go ahead and do some cream contouring. This is Soul Body's Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I've used this before. I freaking love it. Depending on the color that you pick, you can use it on your body, but I picked a color that was darker than me so I could use it as a bronzer. And the formula is amazing. It's just really nice. I've never tried the Chanel bronzing balm thing, but they don't make colors for girls in my skin tone, so I think this might be a dupe for it because it's the same idea of like a bronzing balm. Yeah, and I just take it on a NYX #2 brush, which is kind of like it's full on one side and then it's pinched on the other. And I just take this and blend. And since I put a little bit too much on my brush this time around, I'm gonna just blend it out with my Juno sponge so I could get a nice effortless blend. And I'm gonna take a little bit down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty liquid blush. Hopefully this color goes with the cool tone eyeshadow I'm about to do, because I really don't know what color blush you would wear with cool tone eyeshadow. So we're just gonna hope for the best. This is shade Love. I did try this out before and I really like it. It's a really nice liquid blush. It actually has color payoff and it's really nice. I'm just gonna use this on my Kabuki brush that I use for my foundation. Just tap that on. Last time I tried it, I just went straight in. It worked out, but I think it would be better to like warm it up on your back of your hand and then go in on your face, just so you don't have any accidents. And I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey. I'm a little scared of it, of the concealer to crease, so I'm gonna just put a little more powder and let it bake for a little bit. Okay, so my camera had ran out of space while I thought I was recording, so I'm gonna just try to show you guys what I was trying to show you guys before I noticed. Okay, so this is the Glam palette and I'm gonna put it up next to the bronze palette, which is like one of my favorites. Like the tones are like completely different. I would never pick up a palette that looks like this, but after getting this I was like, okay Natasha, I see why your prices are the way that they are, and maybe I need to step out of my comfort zone. Okay, so I went in with the color Smoke as like my transition color. I like it, but I still feel like I need something a little bit warm to like tie it in. And I'm going to use the color Ridge in the bronze palette, just a little bit, just to warm that up a little. And I'm going to use the color Lash Line, this one right here. Thinking of doing maybe like a really light halo eye. And then I'm going to use the same fluffy brush that I was using for my crease to blend it out. I think that's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to use Outer Eyelid, this shade right here. I think I'm gonna use it on my fingers first. I'm pretty much liking this so far, so I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario liner pencil. I'm not gonna go for like a strong defined wing. I'm just gonna use this and smudge it. The thing I like about this pencil is that it has this brush at the end to help you smudge everything out. And I'm also going to put this on my lower lash line as well. I'm going to use this gray color right here to smoke it out a little bit. And a little bit of smoke. I'm going to go ahead and do that on my other eye and I'll be right back. This is a ABH 7B brush. It's really for your eyebrows, but I use this brush to do that little inner cat eye. So I'm going to use the lash line color. Okay, so I do have some new lashes to try today. I picked up some lashes from Rokael Beauty and I have Super Moon, which is a nice flare lash, and I have Solar Flares. I'm gonna go for the flare lash because I did the little inner cat eye thing, so it's going to make my eyes go like that. Okay, these lashes are cruelty free. They aren't made of animal hair, and I don't really reach for lashes that aren't mink, so if I like these today, that just might change the game for me when it comes to lashes. I'm not sure if I'm saying his name right, but Rokael is a celebrity makeup artist. He does makeup for the likes of Beyonce. You can find him on Instagram. I just put the mascara on my lash line because it's easier for me to do it that way, and I'm a little lazy, so hey, that looks good, right? I mean, it's very snatched. Now we can move on to lips. I'm gonna line my lips with Juvia's Place Kola lip liner, and I don't really have any new like lip products that I would like to try out today. So okay, so this is called 90s Icon by KKW, so I'm gonna just put this on and see if I like it. The next new product is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palettes. I picked up 2 of the newer quads. This is the darkest palette now, and this is like a holiday release, so I'm not too sure how long these are going to be around. This one's called number 5 Copper Gold, and this one is number 3 Pure Gold. Okay, so this palette is very pretty. The only thing is that the glitters in here are more on the pink side, but yeah, I'm going to try this color right here and see what it looks like. It's like very subtle and toned down, but it's really pretty in person. It gives you that dewy look, but not heavy on the glitter. It's really pretty. I like it. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This is the look that I came up with using that cool tone palette, and I think it's a vibe. It's giving me moody, and I like a little bit of moody, you know. I definitely plan on using that palette some more. I'm happy I stepped out of my comfort zone because this is a look. It's so pretty and glam. So yeah, guys, that wraps up today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.